Are you sabotaging your health without realizing it? Discover the secrets to a thriving gut and transform your well-being today. In the quest for optimal health, many overlook a crucial component: gut health. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, plays a pivotal role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Neglecting it can lead to a cascade of health issues, from digestive discomfort to chronic diseases. But fear not. By understanding and nurturing your gut, you can unlock a new level of vitality and well-being. Understanding the gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microbes aid in digesting food, producing essential nutrients, and protecting against harmful pathogens. A balanced microbiome is crucial for maintaining health, while an imbalance or dysbiosis can contribute to various ailments, including obesity, diabetes, and depression. The power of probiotics and prebiotics. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet is essential for supporting a healthy gut. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods can help replenish and diversify your gut bacteria, promoting digestive health. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are non-digestible fibers that feed these beneficial bacteria. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. Embracing a fiber-rich diet. Fiber is a cornerstone of gut health. It adds bulk to stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and serves as food for beneficial gut bacteria. Aim to include both soluble fiber, found in oats, beans, and fruits, and insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and vegetables, in your diet. Gradually increasing your fiber intake can help prevent bloating and discomfort. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Limiting processed foods and sugars. Ultra-processed foods and excessive sugar intake can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. These foods often contain additives and preservatives that negatively affect gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and reduced microbial diversity. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods can help maintain a healthy gut environment. The importance of hydration. Staying hydrated is vital for digestion and nutrient absorption. Water helps break down food and facilitates the smooth passage of waste through the digestive tract, reducing the risk of constipation. Make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout the day, especially if you're increasing your fiber intake. Mindful eating practices. How you eat is just as important as what you eat. Chewing your food thoroughly initiates the digestive process and allows for better nutrient absorption. Aim to chew each bite 20 to 30 times before swallowing. Additionally, eating slowly and without distractions can help prevent overeating and reduce digestive discomfort. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise not only benefits your overall health, but also positively impacts your gut. Physical activity can alter the composition of your gut bacteria, promoting a more diverse and balanced microbiome. Incorporate activities like walking, yoga, or resistance training into your routine to support gut health. Stress management and sleep. Chronic stress and inadequate sleep can negatively affect your gut health. Stress can disrupt the gut-brain axis, leading to digestive issues, while poor sleep can alter the composition of your gut microbiome. Implement stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness practices, and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consistency is key. Maintaining consistent meal times and avoiding feast and famine cycles can support digestive health. Regular eating patterns help regulate your digestive system and prevent overeating, which can lead to bloating and discomfort. Strive for balanced meals and snacks throughout the day to keep your gut functioning optimally. Incorporating fermented foods. Regular consumption of fermented foods can increase the abundance of beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium in your gut. Including a variety of fermented foods in your diet can help replenish and diversify your gut bacteria, promoting digestive health. Final thoughts. Your gut health is integral to your overall well-being. By making conscious dietary choices, embracing a fiber-rich and diverse diet, staying hydrated, managing stress, and maintaining consistent eating patterns, you can support a healthy gut microbiome. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your digestive health and overall vitality. Take action today. Start by incorporating one or two of these habits into your daily routine. Perhaps begin with adding more fiber-rich foods to your meals or setting a regular meal schedule. As you make these changes, pay attention to how your body responds and adjust accordingly. Your journey to optimal gut health begins with a single step. Take that step today and experience the transformative power of a healthy gut. Now that you know the best foods and habits for a healthy gut, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite probiotic-rich food? Is it yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, or maybe something new you're excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you never miss a video on how to feel better from the inside out. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.